Hi, so I'm going to make this quick video to kind of give you an update on what's going on with this channel. This used to be the Tech4Dads Plus channel, and I came to the realization that I'm not operating these channels the best way I should. This one started out as something completely different, and when I created the Tech4Dads channel separately, I ended up with a lot of, I had quite a few subscribers to this channel, and I didn't want to lose them, so I made it a companion channel for my Tech4Dads YouTube channel, and ended up cross-posting everything to each other, which just did not work out the way it should, and I shouldn't have done that to begin with. And now I have subscribers split, and there's no reason to subscribe to both, or when it basically has exactly the same things. So what I've decided to do is create or change this site from Tech4Dads Plus to Tech4Dads Workshop, which hopefully implies that this is going to be different than the other channel. The other channel is still going to remain being reviews and gadgets and things like that I either have, I own, I purchase, or are sent to me for review. That's what I intend for that channel to remain. And those are going to be quick looks and hands-on reviews, unboxings, that sort of thing. And this channel is going to pivot to more of a what I would call a deep dive channel. And some things will be more deep dive than the other, but my intention is not to recreate anything from the other channel over here. Now, I may still have some left over from previous, I'm going to remove some of the content so it's not so duplicated, but from here on out, you won't see any cross-posting unless it's a particular message or something that needs to get out to both channels. My intention is to do things like you've seen here, where I take the Luna Ultra, which is what I'm shooting on right now, and run it through some tests with new firmware, ND filters, random things like that. What is the firmware fixed? What are new functionality? Deep dive into those things and not be so much a big overview of what the device is. So what this will allow people to do that want to subscribe to one or both is, if you happen to see something that I review or talk about on one channel and you want to hear more about it, or maybe see some more detailed information that's not in the video, you'll be able to come over to this channel, and perhaps I'll have a video that does give you the information that you need. Now, obviously, those types of videos are going to take me a little bit longer to create, but my intention is still to have these updated pretty regularly, depending upon what's going on and how active the time period is. But right now, you've probably seen a million videos on the Luna Ultra from Insta360, and I purchased that camera myself. That's what I'm shooting on right now. I purchased this camera myself, and I haven't had any sponsorships or anything like that. And so I'm hoping to give you my honest opinions. Not that that matters at all. If something is provided to me, if I don't like it, I don't post about it. I just don't post it at all. So somebody sends me a product and I just can't recommend it for a segment of audience, then I will just tell the manufacturer, I'm sorry, I can't do this one. So having said that, if there are videos or a piece of product that I really enjoy, I'll tend to deep dive into it even more so. And especially if it's something I purchased myself, I'm using it and I want to know everything I can about it. So I'm going to just pass that knowledge along, and hopefully it'll be helpful to somebody. But really, that's all I really wanted to say. I wanted to let you know why I'm doing this pivot, and I'm trying to just do a little something a little more creative than just advertising a product and giving you the list of specs and things like that. That grows a little bit old on my from my creative standpoint. So, but I do intend to keep doing those. It's just this will be something where I can go a little more in depth and hopefully give some people additional input and information. And please send me questions, and if you've got something you would like me to review or dive into a little bit more, let me know, and I'm happy to try to do that. And if I don't have the product, I certainly can try to get it, and I'll do my best to get you the information that you need. So I appreciate you watching this video and understanding what's going on. And if you joined this channel for the quick reviews, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the standard Tech4Dads YouTube channel, as those type of videos will continue to be created there and not cross-posted here. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.